Okay, before I demo this lesson, I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to add the audio overlays to those text slides. Now, to do that, it's kind of tricky because if I go into this lesson and I say I want to edit this lesson, it's going to open it back up in that same Google Slides where I created it. And that's great. I can go back in and edit that lesson. But if I click on the audio function in Nearpod within Google Slides, it's going to put audio slides in separately. I mean, they're going to be just slides, white slides, where the student's going to click on the play button and hear my audio. I don't want that. I want the audio laid right on the slide so the student can click the play button and read along with me. In order to do that, we have to get a little fancy. What we have to do, this whole lesson is created in Google Slides. So I want to get out of that. I want to actually edit in Nearpod, not in Google Slides. So I have to kind of trick Nearpod a little bit and hit these three buttons, and I have to duplicate the lesson. And I want to duplicate it in Nearpod. So let me give that a chance to duplicate. I'll pause you and come right back. All right, that didn't take as long as I thought it would. Now I can edit this duplicated one, and see, you can see that it's different because the name of it is Lake Erie Food Web, and then it's got a 1 right there. That's a completely different copy than the one that I made in Google Slides. But what I can do is I can click on my first text-heavy slide, and we'll make it this one. And I'm going to double click on that slide, and it opens up in that, remember that funky slide creator? Well, it opens up in that view, but I don't need any of this stuff over here. But what I do need is I need this audio button. So when I click on that, I have an audio recorder. So I'm going to read this slide into my audio recorder. So I'm going to tap this button. And when I click this little microphone, it's going to start recording me. So here I go. These are the 5 Great Lakes. The most recent glacier event in North America carved the basins of the Great Lakes. Glacial meltwater filled the basins of the Great Lakes. And so I push on that pause button, and now I want to save my I can play my recording back. These are the 5 Great Lakes. Okay, great. It sounds perfect. Now I'm going to hit save, and it is uploading audio to the bottom of that slide. So when I click save and exit, look at this. That particular slide, you can see at the bottom, it has that play button. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and I'm going to record the rest of the audio on all of my text-heavy slides so that it's ready to go. And then I'll demonstrate what this looks like in a live session.